So, you want to take a look at some art? Well, you've come to the right place, cause today, my friends, is the first annual TBK Art Showcase video. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm excited. A little bit ago, I hit 30,000 subscribers here on the channel. I said that I wanted to do an art showcase kind of thing. From here on out, I think it'd be really cool to do since you guys have such great art. I was really excited to get it started, and we got quite a few first submissions. So, by the way, it doesn't ever expire, so you can send me stuff now, tomorrow, the next day, whenever, because I'm going to be doing these whenever you guys give me stuff, just every once in a while. So, first off, we've got a guy by the name GauditheMeow. And this first one right here, he is actually the first person that sent art to me. He did it extremely quick. He must have me on notifications, so clippity clap for this guy. This is pretty cool. I like this. This is quite great. I love that the color of the sweatshirt and the shirt all kind of tie together with the color of the line art. Very cool. That's some eye candy, definitely. He's got some kind of stick, some kind of bread sticks, some kind of, maybe these are like donut sticks. We don't know. Maybe they're chips. Maybe they're fish and chips. I don't know. We'll just have to find out. He's definitely enjoying them, whatever they are. But this is very nice. I like this. It's very cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Sweet. Moving forward, we got. I'm sorry if I messed these names up. Raz Van Costeen Christe 98. Yep. Nailed it. Okay. Oh wow. These are fantastic. Okay, so we got a couple of images here from my man Raz. These are fantastic. So we got a planet. This is really, really gorgeous. Oh man. Jeez, you look at that. Look at those rings. That's fantastic. I really love this. It's very subtle stars in the background. Oh, it's getting creepier, guys. It's getting creepier. I don't know what's going on here, but it's getting creepy. All right. So we got some kind of horns here, right? Oh. But I do love the stars, and I love the composition of this as well. And I'm going to assume, of course, this woman didn't come with horns because she wasn't born this way. So you'd place the horns on there. I very like this. I can't see any kind of merging, melding. It looks very, very nice. Very, very well done. I don't want to spend too much time on this one guy's submission, but these are just fantastic. All right, more cool stuff here. Also love the textures. I mentioned that already. Love the textures. I see some kind of splatters up here. I also love splatters. And like green textures and splatters and grunge textures. I just love it. It's fantastic. Dry brush textures. I love dry brush textures. I'm not seeing any of those right now. I'm just saying. I just love them. Nice letters. Love the specular on this. Love the reflections. Fantastic grunge on the head. Oh, no. Okay, that's my favorite one. Easily, this is my favorite one. All right, so that was a lot. So I don't really have time to show everything there, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop those up on the screen. This guy did a fantastic job with all of the different pieces that he sent. Very, very amazing stuff. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Here's some of my favorite ones right here. Those are my favorite ones, but those are all really, really great, guy. All right, moving on to our third guy. We got Nguyen to Tony 2000. I'm hoping that's right. Very cool name, by the way. And this guy said that he had some nice base meshes that he was sending to the community for free, which is very, very nice. So that's pretty cool. If you guys want to download some nice stylized base meshes for male and female bodies, you can definitely go do that. The link will be down in the description. Very, very, very neat. Very thankful. Thank you so much for sending these to the community. The community does thank you. The TBK community definitely loves some base meshes. Very, very, very well done as well. Our fourth guy, we have Pa Mwada. I hope that's right, because I really do. All right, we got a couple submissions from Pa. Very nice. I like this quite a bit. All right, so let's take a deep dive into this one right here. So, typically on the channel, I don't usually just end at a sketch, but in real life, I usually only like doing sketches and that's it. I love line art, I do, but I only usually typically like, especially more realistic styles, drawing in sketches. I usually don't like doing line art for more realistic things. I don't like painting, like fully just no line art. I don't like that. I love doing rough sketches and doing that. This up here has more of a grainy kind of texture because it's hair, you know. It's more chunky. And then over here on the eye, it's a little more smooth here. Got a little more smooth of a brush, maybe like a marker brush. I'm not sure, but I really love the mouth as well. The teeth, fantastic job. Lips, fantastic job. Really like this. I really love the eyelashes as well. This is very good. It feels very natural. All right, moving on. We got Pinkwallstraw. I guess I'm hoping that's how you say this. And this guy said that he did follow one of my tutorials and something's gonna look familiar, which, of course, the Mirror's Edge City. He did send us the Mirror's Edge City, which I do have a tutorial on, which I did quite a bit ago. I'm a big fan of Mirror's Edge, did the city, and he obviously followed the tutorial. This looks amazing, by the way. Once again, I just said earlier, my favorite shape is a cube. So this is definitely making me feel great right now. Absolutely love this. Reminds me of some kind of Matrix simulation kind of thing. Love it. It looks fantastic. And this right here, absolutely phenomenal. Wow. I don't even have words for this. Holy moly. This is giving me major, like, glitch in the simulation, like, in a little bit of, like, Darth Vader vibes. I don't know, because it has, like, that little piece going back around, kind of like Darth Vader's mask does. This is phenomenal. Can I just take a quick moment to point out the shapes in the background and how much I just really like that? Like, that definitely boosted the image up a little bit. That definitely, it's the small things. I always say that in the tutorials. It's the small things. Doing small things, a bunch of small things, is way better than doing one big giant thing. And I gotta tell you, these little tiny things that you've done, I'm literally zooming in right now just to see any kind of artifacts or some weird glitching of some kind of thing going on here. I'm not seeing anything. This is just phenomenal. Another one has the same type of feel with this one, but this one's very shiny, so that one also steals my heart. Thank you so much, Bink. We're going to move on over to the Duckling Unity 2, and this guy has sent us quite a few objects as well. I see some Half-Life in this first image. Very nice. I got to point out, the one thing I got to say, this is phenomenal with the glass. I love the attention to detail with the glass here of the light actually shining through there, and once again, the bump on the mask and the bird, also very cool. I also love the one feather that he decided to put on the ground there. Very nice touch. Very nice touch. Moving on over to... Oh my god, this is Stardew Valley. I am a huge Stardew Valley fan, and I've never once said that on the channel, so he has no idea until he watches this video. This is fantastic. This is a 3D mock-up of Stardew Valley. This is amazing. Another angle there. This is fantastic. Wow. Lovely neon. I always love neon. Very nice recreation there. It looks just like a 7-Eleven sign. Some more Half-Life. Love that, Alex. Ooh, very nice. This looks like it just literally came out of one of the Half-Life games. This is fantastic. Like, looks like this is a cutscene. They just panned up to the sky for a second. Also, another image here. We got this nice little, like, maybe diamond tennis bracelet. I don't even know. That's pretty cool. Is this a tennis bracelet? I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, it's some type of bracelet, all right. It looks very nice, though. Love the velvet box here. A nice shine on the diamond. Really like that. This reminds me of some type of football necklace. That's what it reminds me of. Another one here. We got more of cartoon style effect. I can literally see an animation looking just like this. Phenomenal. Love the stylized trees. Love that. It looks fantastic. I'm such a sucker for the simple things. I'm zooming into this fence right now. This fence looks fantastic. Very well done chain link fence. Love that. Kudos. Love that so much. I do think that there should be like some kind of flags on these flagpoles. But other than that, this is like literally like perfect. And this clock up here as well. Very cool. Very nice. The final image we got from this guy is a vending machine. This looks perfect. Literally, this can go in any video game right now, and it'll be literally perfect. This came straight out of Left 4 Dead 2. Right now, I swear. It came right out of Dying Light. It came right out of Dying Light, guys. Alrighty, Roo. So that was all the ones I'm going to be showing today. I have other ones. You guys did send me some, and I gotta say, they're amazing. But we've run out of time for today, so I'm going to put those in episode number 2. So I hope you enjoyed this first ever TBK Art Showcase, and look forward to episode 2. Those are just as awesome as these ones we just had. Some really cool stuff, so make sure you check out episode 2. Thank you to everyone who submitted, and you can still submit. Link will be down below. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.